Some people say windows only show you the outside world. But what if one night, through that same window, you find someone looking right back at you? Not a stranger, not a ghost, but a woman who knows your secrets, even the ones you've never spoken. It was a cold night in Toronto, and the snow outside had painted the streets in silver silence. I stood by the window of my small apartment, staring into the glowing city lights. I didn't know why I kept looking out every night, as if waiting for something or someone. And then behind me I heard a voice. "Do you like watching through the window?" The words were so close, so soft. They brushed against my ear like a whisper of breath. I turned and froze. She was there, Nadia, wrapped in a flowing crimson silk gown that shimmered in the dim light. Her dark hair fell across her lips, and with every slow breath, that single strand seemed alive, teasing, daring. I wanted to speak. I wanted to ask how she entered my room, but my tongue refused to move. "Why so quiet now?" she asked, her voice low, intoxicating. "You watch me through this window night after night. But tonight, when I stand in front of you, why can't you look?" Her steps were unhurried, yet deliberate, as she walked toward me. Her eyes carried no hesitation, no fear, only a burning intent that pulled me in like gravity. "What were you staring at?" she whispered, her lips hovering just a breath away from my skin. "My hair, or my waist, or that moment when I let my blouse slip open on purpose." Her words hit me like lightning. My chest tightened. My breath grew heavy. "Tell me something." She leaned closer, pressing her palm against my chest. "Why is your heart racing so fast?" Had no answer. Her fingers brushed against mine. That touch was not warm, not cold, but electric, like a silent storm running under my veins. Nadia tilted her head, her eyes glinting. "What if I unbutton your shirt right now? Would you stop me?" I said nothing. My silence was her permission. She smiled faintly, her lips grazing my ear. "And what if I kissed you right here?" Before I could breathe, her lips pressed against my neck. My fists clenched on their own. The world narrowed down to her heartbeat and mine. "This mansion," she murmured. "Do you think it brought us closer by accident? Or did I bring you exactly where I wanted?" Her body was now on mine, her hand sliding across my chest, her weight settling onto my lap. "I never called anyone into my room before," she said softly. Her eyes didn't waver. "You're the first." "Why me?" I managed to ask. "Because the others ran away." Her lips curved. "But you stayed." She pulled my hand toward her mouth and kissed my fingertips with a softness that was more dangerous than fire. "Now tell me, Alex," she whispered my name as if she owned it. "Will you be mine? Completely?" I didn't say yes. I didn't say anything. But my body already belonged to her. And then the lights went out. Darkness swallowed the room. A sharp chill slithered through my bones. "Nadia," I whispered. No answer. Her fingers were still wrapped around mine. But when I reached for her face, there was nothing. Silence, hollow space, and then a laugh. Low, echoing, not from her lips but from the very walls of the mansion. I stumbled back, my breath breaking. And that's when I saw it. On the pale wall, glowing faintly in the moonlight, a deep red imprint. The shape of lips, wet, fresh, as though someone had kissed the wall, spelling out one single word. Yes. The air grew heavy. My chest tightened. And as I backed toward the door, I realized the window, the one I had been watching through every night, no longer showed the city of Toronto. Showed her, standing outside, smiling, waiting. And for the first time I understood. I wasn't the one watching her. She had been watching me all along.